Hey everyone, it's Matt, founder of Write.as. Today I want to show you a little bit of what we've been working on for the past few months at Write.as, including multiple users and Submit.as, our latest product in the suite. Now together we're building a complete suite of products that help you write and publish online. And with our newest Teams functionality, we're starting to add actual collaboration to the easy writing process that you're already used to on the platform. So here's a quick look at that. I've navigated to my Write.as team, which allows me to gather people together and share access to certain blogs. So we can jump over to our members tab here and you can see everyone on my team who I've already added. I can also invite people here, which will send them an email, have them join, and give them access to all the blogs that my team owns. Now, we've also designed this in a privacy-centric way, so you can maintain a profile that's separate from your normal Write.as account. So if you're already using Write.as in a personal capacity, this allows you to join a team but keep your private use completely separate from that team. This includes a name that you can set, which again shows up on the members page, as well as the email address that'll be used for activity on the team. Now right now, billing is tied to a personal account on Write.as, but in the near future, you'll be able to manage it completely separate from that and add functionality as your team needs it. You can see here different usage stats, such as submissions received, number of shared blogs used, and how many people are on your team. We also have a simple settings page, which just lets you set the organization name. In the future, you could imagine other kind of settings appearing here. So jumping back to the dashboard, as I said, a team gives all its members access to blogs that it owns. In the Write.as team here, we just own one, that's the Write.as blog. And this gives all our members access to stats and the ability to customize the blog itself. In the future, you'll be able to do what you would expect here, like all publishing to the same blog, editing together, etc. Now, as I said, we've also made a lot of changes to Submit.as. Submit.as users will see these two options on their blog, prompts and submissions. So we'll hop over there. And one of the things we've just added is the ability to schedule prompts. So for example, if I want to add a new prompt that says write a haiku, I can select this shared blog that I want to publish it to the Write.as blog. I'll hit publish and it will now give me the option to either publish it right away or schedule it for later. So if I want to choose next week, for example, I can do that and I'll hit publish, and the prompt will be available to me on the prompts page, but as you can see here, it will be scheduled for June 8th. Now another change we've made is the ability to archive prompts. So if I am done with an old National Poetry Month prompt, for example, I can simply click the archive button and it will be hidden from my Submit.as page and saved for later in case I ever need it. You can access those old ones from this archive tab, and if you ever decide you need to republish them, that is just easy with one click. And lastly, we've made some changes to submission management. So whenever new submissions come in, by default, everyone on the team receives an email notification. Now we've added the ability to set whether or not you want to receive those notifications per each blog. So if I wanted to receive new notifications for the Write.as blog, I would simply click this and I would know I'm now watching for new submissions. This is great for larger teams who have multiple blogs in their organization. They can actually go through and different people can set which ones they care about and which ones they don't need to be notified about. And finally, we've added the ability to filter posts by their current status. So all pending submissions will show up under the pending tab, approved right here, rejected, etc. And again, if we go back to the team dashboard, you can see we have this helpful little suggestion showing that we have one submission pending, and that will take us right in. So that was a quick look at some of the changes we've been making. There's still plenty more to come, and I hope you'll stay tuned for all those. Thanks for watching.